Hey guys, today we'll see how to fix a screen flickering on iPhone guys, because many iPhone users reported this issue because on their iPhone they are facing a screen flickering issue on their iPhone guys. So I will give you the possible fixes. So first we have to understand why is my iPhone, why is your iPhone a screen flickering issue coming. So guys, the main reason for this issue is the fault with some few hardware components on iPhone, and also it could be the various reason also. The reason one is iPhone is having memory problem, iPhone a screen flickering after water damage, something wrong with your iPhone software, and some hardware related problem guys. So let's see how to fix this issue guys. So the first fix is just go and do the force restart iPhone. So for force restart iPhone, because for me I have iPhone 14 plus, so with iPhone 14 plus to restart iPhone, just simultaneously you just select home button plus volume up button. So once that, you will get that pop-up here, slide to power off. So just slide to power off, then your iPhone will get restarted. So this is the first method. And the second method is guys, just increase brightness on iPhone, because many iPhone users fix this issue after increasing brightness on iPhone guys. So for that, just go to settings, and you can see here the display and brightness. Just tap on it and you can see the brightness here. So first you have to turn down your brightness and just wait for some 10 minutes, then automatically it will reset your that brightness guy. So this way you can also fix this issue. If it is not fixed, then come to third method, and the third method is just check your any software update is happened or not. So for that, just go to general and we'll just come to software update, and for me you can see that if it is automatically turned on your iPhone, then you will get that software update. For me you can see that I have already turned on, and it's for me it's already updated, so I don't have any software update issue guys. And the fourth method is just go and check your storage. Just check whether you have the sufficient storage. You have insufficient storage. So as you can see that here under settings, iPhone storage. So for me I have a sufficient storage, so I don't have any storage issue guys. So these all four way you can fix iPhone screen flickering issue guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.